Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany for those of you who are new. If you're not already subscribed, I do upload twice a week. Those are Sundays and Thursdays, so if you consider subscribing, you'll be getting 2 videos a week. For today's video, I am so excited to be unboxing this with you on camera. I saw this on Trendmood's Instagram and I was like, I need that. Girl, the price point of this, you couldn't pass up on this deal. One item in here alone costs $80, so I was like, girl, we need to get this ASAP. If you don't know who Trendmood is, she is basically the e-news, the 411 on all the makeup trends and the whole beauty community. She will give sneak peeks if she's allowed to, and she also just shares so much information when releases are launching on any of the makeup sites, skincare, all that jazz. She is the it girl. I actually met her in person in 2016 at the Etsy event. Her name is Sophie. I'll put a picture up here, but she was the sweetest person and humblest person I had ever met. When I saw her and I did a double take and I was like, oh my god, that's Trendmood. I don't know how I recognized her or anything, but I was just like, that's her. And I was like, hey, can I take a picture with you? She was like, yeah, of course. And we just like kind of talked about makeup and everything. She's like, it's so nice to meet you. So anyways, Sophie, if you're watching, thank you so much for being yourself, and I appreciate all your makeup news that you have always given us. I sincerely appreciate your effort to do this. So this is the volume 5 from Trendmood's boxes. She doesn't have a subscription. It kind of just comes out once a month, I think. But this is my first time getting this actual box. The reason why I wanted it so bad was because a lot of it is all skincare, and one of the items in here alone costs 80 bucks. So I was like, $62 for the whole entire box, what it's worth. I was like, girl, you cannot pass up on it. So I'm gonna open this with you all together. Wow. I was not expecting it to be this nicely packaged, but because it is, I'm gonna carefully cut this. Oh, that was bad. All right, so here we go. Well, there we go. So I really appreciate that there's bubble wrap on this, because as you know, some people, as you know, sometimes, you know, the FedEx, UPS, anywhere the shipping, sometimes it can just get mishandled. It just happens, you know, but I'm so happy that they were able to bubble wrap it so that way nothing gets broken or anything. But this is the entire box, and I'm actually going to be pulling out things little by little so that way you can see what it is, and I'll put a price point of it here. First thing is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. This is a moisturizer that I had been wanting to try, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness. This is the 1.7 fluid ounce. So she's actually pretty big for a moisturizer. I'm a combination skin person, so this is gonna work really good for me. I'm really excited, especially right now since it's the summertime. This is gonna go great under makeup. Oh, so good. So excited for that. We also have another Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I actually just bought this in my Sephora haul, so this might be as a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But I'm excited because I did purchase one for myself, so we got an extra one, but that might be for you all. And then we have a Kinship Mint Mud Mask Deep Pore Detox Mask, which I haven't tried or heard of this brand before, so I'm pretty excited to be trying this out. This is what she looks like. You get 2 fluid ounces with this one. I'm super excited to be trying this out because as you all know, I am using the Peter Thomas Roth Mud Mask, so this is a new one. I'm excited to try this out, and I'll put a price point so you can see what that is. And I also pulled out another Kinship product. This is the Probiotic Moisturizing Zinc Oxide Sunscreen Broad SPF of 32. You know I rave and rave about SPF, girl. You need it. Girl, you need SPF every single day. Whether or not you're outside or inside the house, you need it no matter what, even if it's cloudy outside. And this actually has a 22.4% of zinc oxide, which is the active ingredient for protecting your skin from the sun. Okay, this has 1.75 fluid ounces. I'm excited to be trying this out. I do currently have my Supergoop one that I do actually like, but you know us girls just wanting to try new stuff. So I'm super excited to be trying this moisturizer out with SPF, and it's a clean, cruelty-free, vegan, dermatologist tested product. So really cute packaging, super cute. And this is the one thing that I really wanted the most. I was like, girl, this is $80 by itself. and I was like, I can't. And 62 bucks and you get all these other things. I was like, yes. So this is the Murad Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. Vitamin C is an ingredient that helps your skin to be more brightening, kind of lifting up some of the hyperpigmentation. It's just an ingredient that's going to help your skin. Glycolic acid is also another good ingredient to help you with fine lines and wrinkles and such. So a glycolic cleanser that I use once, maybe twice a week, but incorporating this is going to work really good because this is a serum, so you're going to have it for every day. Super excited to be trying this. I can't wait to report back to you to let you all know how it's gonna work out on my skin. I'm so excited, so excited. I've actually never heard of this brand before. This is Skin Fix Eczema Plus Hand Repair Cream. You know I love my hand cream, so I was excited to be getting this as well. And this has, I think I'm pronouncing this right, I don't know, colloidal oatmeal and sweet almond oil. So my hands be dry and crusty because I'm washing it constantly. So I'm excited to be using this, and it has the Allure little stamp of like the product of the year kind of thing. So I'm excited for that. And here is the Skin Fix. Let me get this open. This is the Eczema Plus Foaming Oil Body Wash. I have never heard of this before, and I'm super intrigued and I'm excited to be trying this out. It also has, it's free from sulfates, steroids, antibiotics, fragrance, parabens. Whew, there's a lot of ingredients that it's free from. So this looks like to be a very clean brand. So I'm excited to be trying that. Last but not least, we have a blush palette which comes super wrapped in here, which again, I appreciate that because, you know, things get mishandled. It just happens in the shipping industry where it can just, like, you know, I'm sure plenty of you have maybe experienced that, but this is the Catrice and Aman blush palette, which I was so excited to be trying. It's in my Ulta cart and it quickly went away. I was like, damn it, I need this in my life. So I was also super excited for this blush palette. These colors look super yummy. I'm so excited for this shade right here. Girl, so excited. So we also got this blush palette that I'm super excited to try. And it came with two of these like little pamphlets from Kinship and Murad. So again, super excited to be trying all these new goodies. I'm excited to be seeing more future boxes to see what she's gonna come up with. But this is such an awesome thing to be doing, and just you get a lot for your money's worth. The total of this entire box is worth $256, and for 62 bucks we got all these goodies, and I was just like, OMG, this is such a good deal. You could not pass up on this, like for real. This is literally wow. I couldn't even believe it. I got an actual box. I was so scared. And one of my friends was like, did you get it? And I was like, I did. She's like, I didn't have luck. I was one of those people that was, you know, I guess the glitch was that people were getting a confirmation, but then it said it like sold out or something. So that was like a glitch, not on their end, which is, you know, it happens sometimes. It was just a glitch on Shopify's end. So let me know if you picked up this box and what you're mostly excited for. I'm so excited for this and the actual palette, and of course everything else in it, because this is like such a good skincare set. Like this is such a good box. Like you could not pass up on this. So really excited to see what volume 6 has in store for us. I don't know what it is. I mean, Trendmood has her Instagram for this actual box, and then she has her Trendmood for all the makeup releases and skincare releases and all that goodies, and then she also have Trendmood deals. I'll put all her links down below. I'm gonna report back to you in a month so that way you can get some feedback on these products, because skincare doesn't usually happen overnight when you try new things. It has to take couple weeks. So I will report back to you all, but I will definitely be using this in a video soon. So that is all that I have to share with you today for this box. I don't know, I keep on explaining my excitement. So thank you all as always for watching and making it all the way to the end of this video. I appreciate your time being here with me and hanging out and talking about makeup and such, and I will see you in my next video. Toodles!